Mrs. Mandela, the late Mrs. Mandela Winnie. And in the family, we spoke about the issue of Kashmir all the time. We are here, some of us, to express solidarity for the people of Kashmir and the fact that Pakistan should stand firmly behind the children of Kashmir. I am an international student, international activist myself, and we followed the issues in Kashmir even via the United Nations. We know it very well that within the United Nations, the mandate is Kashmir belongs to Pakistan. The least that could happen is Kashmir would actually have its self-ruled, autonomous independence. The state of affairs in Kashmir right now is of major concern to all of us. The suffering of the people of Kashmir is something we are extremely concerned about. We hope that at some point this will be resolved. We don't understand, some of us, why the Kashmir issue has remained unresolved up until now. It's the responsibility of United Kingdom, who really has created this mishap and not supporting their right cause. We urge Britain, we urge the United Nations to speak more for the freedom of the children of Kashmir. With that, we are hoping and praying that this is resolved over a short period of time. Thank you.
Thank you. Would you like to say something, Senator?
Okay.
Sure.
Thank you, Senator. Actually, I am Senator Prince Makutulela from the Kingdom of Eswatini. We just opened our parliament just last week Friday, and I'm very happy to be here. And I was touched by the dramatization of the students who were dramatizing what is exactly happening in Kashmir. We've learned our lessons, because the major lesson we have learned is that our silence is killing the people. So now we will no longer be silent. We will voice our concern concerning Kashmir, and so that the killing can stop, the blood can stop, the barrel of the guns will be silent in Kashmir, and internet must be opened in Kashmir for the children to learn and be connected into the whole world system. So with that, we have our prayers, Senator, and we want to convey our heartfelt thanks to the Prime Minister for the way he's handling this. He's exercising a lot of restraint, and he's showing the world that violence is not the answer, and he's exercising a lot of restraint. We applaud him for that. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.